I'll be starting by priming my face. This is my reference picture as well as my inspiration, and then I'm going to go in with glue and just stick my eyebrows up. And then setting my eyebrows with this benign translucent powder. Going in with the Minao 2-in-1 pencil, I'll be using the concealer part to outline the skull and also map out where I want the eyes to be, and then connect the dots like those little comics that I used to play with as a kid. Using this thread, I'll be filling in my face around the white lines. Going in with this black, I'm going to start by filling in the jawline. You can completely ignore this part if you're not going to do the skull jawline. Then using a fluffy brush to fade out the harsh lines. Follow the slit of your mouth and extend the line. Start by drawing a vertical line right at the center of your mouth, then as you move towards the edge, the line should get smaller. Between each of the lines, draw a triangular shape, but the line should not connect at the top, instead they should go straight up. If there's any bleeding of the black inside of this triangular shapes, do add a little bit of red just so the teeth can look like teeth. Going in with this black, I'm going to shade where the two triangles meet on each side, then making individual wavy lines for each of the triangles, which at this point are going to start to look like teeth. Going back in with that black eyeshadow, I'm going to continue shading the jawline and just stretching it out a bit. Going back in with that black, I'm going to outline the edges of the eyes. This part was surprisingly difficult for me to do. Then with a big flat brush, you're going to want to fill in the inside of the eyes with a black paint. For this part, you're going to want to have your reference photo right next to you, and now we're just going to draw some highlights on the eyes to give the eyes a bit of dimension. You're going to want to shade, fade it out and repeat till you're satisfied. Together with the white paint, you can also add a white shadow to highlight, blend it out until you're satisfied. Next, I'll be highlighting the edges with white paint only at the corners of the eyes. Using this black shade and with a very light hand, I'm going to give my jawline as well as the mask some dimension. You want to slowly pack on the color as opposed to going in ham at the first go. Next, I'll be doing in the nose, and this is just the shape I choose to go for the skull nose. Going in with this white paint, I'm going to add some highlights to the teeth and all over the mask. Now if you have white contacts, you can go ahead and pop them in, but I don't, so I'll just be painting my eyelid white. This part is completely optional, but if you'd like, you can drag down the red down to the neck. To give your mask more dimension, take a stippling sponge and just go around the mask. Then add 2 lines at the highest and lowest points of the eyes. With a very light hand, go around the eyes with a grey color. My camera wasn't recording, but I just drew 2 lines, and right between the 2 lines I went in with white paint. And that's it!